Hello guys, this is your girl Sansia here, coming to you from Jamaica. Yeah, Jamaica. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you a little of Jamaica. Yep, let me turn the look at all this greenery. Such a beauty. These dogs are barking at us. They're all gated in. I'm walking to my uncle's farm. Well, I should say our farm, but he's the one that takes care of it since I'm not here. So just want to show you. There goes the banana tree. Have the banana tree there. Look at all this greenery. So beautiful. Yeah. Jamaica is a beautiful place. Beautiful. Only thing right now, I'm telling you, the heat is killing me. But I'll survive. I ain't complaining. I'll survive. Look at these goats. And I'm here at my uncle's farm with all these goats. Look at their house. They're living life. Yep. Look at them. There's so many goats. Uh-huh. Everywhere you turn are dogs. Dogs. And I'm here with my uncle's house. That's my little brother. And that's Ninja, the farmer. He's the one who runs the farm. That's my uncle right there. Say hello to the camera. You're going to be on YouTube. YouTube. Say hello to everyone. Introduce yourself.
Hello. This is Ninja. I'm from the Maryland.
He said he's going to bring the ghost them home.
Come in.
Your girl is going on the farm. Lord have mercy. Look at all these goats, guys. Yikes. Here we go. This is the goat pen. This is their house. So at night, we would get them all together, gather them all together and bring them here. Hey, what's up? Say hello to the camera. Lord have mercy. Let me get out of their way so they can go in their house. Look at how big they're, so pretty. No. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and remember, Jesus loves